Koncept Tech, your global supplier of spare and wear parts. The Koncept Tech domicile is in Denmark, Scandinavia, only 1 hour from Copenhagen Airport. And our factory is 10,450 square meters. We supply and manufacture spare and wear parts to machinery from Carnatech, Cosini, Carl Schnell, Merrill, Palmia, Wolfgang, CFS, Gia, Kramer Grieve and Simo. And we are always ready to assist you and provide you with our utmost attention. From receiving order request, making quotation, and finding your order in our warehouse. We pack and ship every business day throughout the year. All spare and wear parts are on stock, and we always guarantee global price warranty against documented OEM price. Our high-value parts catalog is well known, which we update with new spare and wear parts frequently, to accommodate our customers in the best possible way. And when spare and wear parts are a necessity for your business, we are there for you. Koncept Tech, Food Machinery Company.